Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieved this high puff for my 4C natural hair. So just keep on watching. So I recently did a twist out, so my hair has a little bit of coils. So I'm just going to start now and apply a little bit of water to wet the perimeters of my hair. I'm just wetting the edges and not everything because I don't want to ruin the coils. And next I'm just going in with my Eco Styler gel. You can use any gel of your choice, but this is my go-to gel and it works perfectly for me. So I'm just applying the gel at the edges, and then I'm going to go ahead and brush the edges as well, just to smoothen it down. So next I'm grabbing this my hair band, which I made from an old stockings. You can use any hair band of your choice, but this works really perfectly because it doesn't cut your hair. It's just very smooth and it's just perfect for this. So yeah, I'm just trying to get my hair to the perfect shape I want it to be. You can decide to put yours a little bit more to the front or to the back. Just position it the way you like, and that is exactly what I'm doing. And after that I'm just going to secure it and just tie it to secure it, and that's it. So it's really important that you fluff your hair out with a picking comb and do your edges if you like to do your edges, and you'll be good. To further lay down my edges, I'm going to tie this scarf over it and leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll take it out and fluff my hair again. Just do some finishing touches to it, and there you have it. So that's basically what I do with my hair most of the time when I'm going to work or when I just want a simple style. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.